Hello students, good morning. How are you? Hope all the students they are very fit and fine and drinking lots of water because nowadays sun is very hot. Sun is very hot beta. So always drink lots of water, but try to drink the water of pot. Pot means the matka, right? The chilled water, है ना? The chilled water is very harmful for intestine. Intestine means the choti आंत and the बड़ी आंत, which is connected with the liver of a human being body. So this is my request to all the lovely students of class 2. Always drink plenty of water, right? Especially during summer season, because during summer season beta sun is very hot and we always feel very thirsty. Thirsty means प्यासे. We always feel very thirsty and we always sweating, है ना? We always sweating. So that is the reason the most water is resuming from our body. So we always should drink lots of water. Lots of water, right? Okay, so dear students, which discussion of is going on? We are discussing about the food. We are discussing about the food, and you all are watching the third video. You all are going to watch the third video, which is based on chapter food. This is the common chapter because I know that maximum numbers of students they don't have books. That is the reason we all teachers do not touch the syllabus of class 2. है ना? Right now we all teachers are not touching the class 2 syllabus. है ना? This is the common topic which we are discussing during these days, because during these days you don't have much of the classes. I think you have only 7 to 8 EVS classes nowadays, because after this you will have your summer vacations now, so you don't have any class after this month. So we continue with the chapter food, and what we learnt in previous 2 videos. Can anybody tell me what we learnt in previous 2 videos? Yes, in previous 2 videos I told you that why we need food. Why we need food. खाने की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ती है? So we need a food to get energy. We all need, whether we are human beings or animals or plants, everybody needs. Everybody means the living thing. I am not talking about the non-living thing, because non-living thing cannot eat, cannot breathe, cannot grow, cannot have any type of energy. So here I am not talking about non-living things. Keep this is in your mind that here I am talking about the living things. I am talking about the living things. Okay, so all living things need food to get energy, to work and play. अब energy तो चाहिए, लेकिन energy किस चीज़ के लिए चाहिए? So we all get energy. We all wants energy to doing work and playing. Everybody needs energy to work and play. Everybody. Okay. So we need food to work and play. And the second thing what I told you, who will tell me? Yes. I told you that food help us to grow. Food help us to grow faster. Food help us to grow faster. When we will eat proper types of food, the balanced kind of diet, then definitely we will grow grow nicely. We will have good health and height, good personality. Okay. And food protect and help our body to recover well. Right? So, food is very precious to all of us. Food is very, very precious to all of us. Up, I told you there are 3 types of food which we all are having in our day-to-day life. What are those? Who will tell me? Can anybody tell me? See dear students, I don't know any class 2 students. मैं किसी भी class 2 के बच्चे को पहचानती नहीं हूँ. Slowly I will identify you, I will recognize you. Okay, you are new with me and I am new with you, and unfortunately there is online class, so I can't interact directly with you. Right? Slowly I will come to know about all the lovely and nice students of class 2. Right? Okay. Now let's move on studies back. So I told you that energy giving food, about the energy giving food, then second the bodybuilding food, and the third protective food. So these are the 3 groups of food. These are the 3 different groups of food items. Number 1, energy giving food. It means we will get energy when we will eat those kinds of fruits. Number 2, bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food, here I am not talking about the going gym, doing push-ups, making dolle shole and biceps. No, here I am not talking about that. I am talking about the healthy and the fit body. Okay. So number 2 is bodybuilding food and number 3 is protective food. है ना? So energy giving food. Energy giving food में how many names I told you? I told you about potato. I told you about rice. I told you about sugar. I told you about wheat. I told you about butter and oil. है ना? These few names I suggested you as an energy giving food. And number 2, the bodybuilding food. So in this category, I suggest you about I told you the names of the food item is milk, fish, pulses, eggs, paneer and meat. These are the bodybuilding food. Once again I will tell you milk, fish, pulses, eggs, paneer and meat. These all are the bodybuilding food. And then I told you about the protective food. Protective food means a protection. Protection from what? Protection from diseases. Protection from different types of diseases. Okay. So protective food may all types of fresh fruits and all types of fresh vegetables are coming under the protective food. All types of fruits and all types of vegetables are coming in this category. So this is the protective food. This is the protective food like banana, apple, orange, all types of leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetable means hari pattedar sabziyan, and carrot and milk, right? So these all are the protective food. They will protect ourselves from different kinds of diseases. Nowadays, we all human beings are fighting against the coronavirus because that virus is very, very dangerous. Okay, now today we will discuss about the balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Why this balanced diet is needed? And what are the benefits of the balanced diet? Why we will include balanced diet in our diet? Why we should follow this balanced diet? So we all will discuss about all these things about the balanced diet, right? So shall I start today's learning? Everyone is ready? Okay, you all are very intelligent. Now, what is balanced diet? First I will tell you about the balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A diet is the food. A diet is the food that we all are eating at a time. The diet is a food when we all are eating at a time, right? We should always eat a balanced diet in order to have a healthy body. It means what? It means if we want to get a healthy body, get a fit body, get a athlete type of body. And athlete type of body means have you ever seen that the sportsmen, है ना, most of the children loves to watch, and most of the children's parents love to watch the IPL on the television. तो IPL में आपने देखा है इतने सारे क्रिकेटर्स होते हैं, इतने सारे स्पोर्ट्समैन होते हैं, धड़ाधड़ ग्राउंड पे गिरते हैं और इतनी भयंकर भीषण गर्मी में भी वो ग्राउंड पर धूप में खेलते हैं। क्या वो बीमार नहीं पड़ते? क्या उन्हें लू नहीं लगती? अगर वो गिरते हैं तो उनके हाथ पैरों में क्रैम्प आता है, उनकी गर्दन पे चोट लगती है, क्या उनको फ्रैक्चर होता है? हाँ, नो, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी फिट. Their fitness is very good actually. That is the reason they can play under the sun in the summer vacation, in the summer time also. I can't play in the summer time because sun is very hot. You cannot play. Your mother, your parent will not allow to go outside during noon time and play. They will not allow to go outside during noon time and play. No, they will not allow you because they knows that if you will go out during the summer season at noon time, definitely you will fall sick. You will get sick. I am damn sure. But a sports person, if he or she has any event during summer time, he or she will definitely play because they have a good, fit, healthy body. They have a good fitness. They have a good fitness. So they will not fall sick because they have healthy body. So balanced diet is very, very important diet which we have to include in our day-to-day diet plan. We always eat different types of fruits. We should always eat different type of vegetables. We should always eat different types of pulses. We should always include the different types of milk item in our diet. This is the necessary, and this is called the proper balanced diet. A proper balanced diet means the protein is there, the vitamins is there, the minerals is there, the calcium is there, the iron is there, the salad, the fiber, the roughage is there. So this is called the balanced diet. Okay, understand? If you cannot understand, no problem. Slowly you will get understand. You will get understand what I want to make you understand. Okay. So diet is the food that we eat at a time. We should always eat a balanced diet in order to have a healthy body. It means that our diet should contain food from all three foods groups. Those three food groups we discussed, like energy giving food, like protective food, and like body building food. These all three important part of the balanced diet. When we will have these three types of, when we will involve these three types of food item is in our diet, then definitely this became a balanced diet. This became a balanced diet. Alright? Understand? And one very precious things we should always include. Balanced diet में energy giving food, then what? Second, bodybuilding food. Yes. Second is bodybuilding food. And what became what? It became a balanced diet. And what very precious things which I am not writing over here. Can anybody tell me? क्या कोई मुझे बता सकता है? What I am not writing over here, and that is very very precious. What is that? Yes, that is what? That is water. Yes, water is also an essential part of balanced diet. Water is also an essential part of balanced diet. Very essential part of balanced diet. So we always should drink plenty of water every day. At least 10 to 12 glasses of water we should drink every day. Then only I can say, yes, my stomach is clean. My motions are clear. I don't have stomach pain. Most of the children, they have stomach pain because they are not drinking plenty of water in their routine. So dear students, always drink always drink plenty of water. Plenty of water means at least 10 to 12 glasses of water you should drink each and every day. This is must. This is should. It is necessary. Do not forget it. और बार-बार याद करके पानी पीने जाओ. मम्मी को बोलो, मम्मी 1 घंटा हो गया मैंने पानी नहीं पिया, प्लीज मुझे पानी दे दीजिए. मम्मा कितना टाइम हो गया मुझे पानी पियो, आई एम फीलिंग वेरी थर्स्टी, प्लीज गिव मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. Okay? Understand? Hope you all are understand well and nicely. So today what we discussed? Who will tell me? Which student will tell me today what we discussed? Yes, we discussed about the balanced diet, and balanced diet is very very necessary part of the food. Very necessary part of the food. And in the balanced diet, we involve energy giving food. Number 2, we involve body building food. And number 3, we involve protective food. And energy giving food में what kinds of food item will come? Energy giving food में potato, sugar, wheat, butter, oil and rice. These all are the energy giving food. And body building food में different types of milk item, paneer, eggs, meat, pulses, fish and milk. This is body building food. It will come in this section. Number 3, protective food. Protective food. Under this category, protective food, all types of fresh vegetables, all types of fresh fruits will come in this category. This is protective food. And when we will include the vegetables and fruits in our diet, definitely we will not fall sick. We will not fall sick, but once again I am telling you, most of the children are liking to eat only bhindi ki sabzi and aloo ki sabzi, lady finger and potato. No, this is not good. Eat all types of vegetables, all types of fruits. Okay. Now, I think this learning is enough to you because you all are not a very big child. So, I think this learning is enough for today's class. So, when we will meet in the next class, we discussed about the sources of food. कहाँ से food मिलता है? कौन-कौन से source होते हैं food के? Sources of food we will discuss. So, till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day. God bless you. Take care of yourself. And before going, I want to tell you that do not worry about books and notebooks. When you will purchase books and notebooks, then I will start giving work. Okay. So till then, take care of self. God bless you.